Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a MacBook Air. Connecting a printer is straightforward, whether you use a wireless network or a direct USB cable connection. We will go through both common methods, making sure your printer is ready for use in just a few simple steps. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes and involves minimal effort to complete. You will be printing in no time. For wireless setup, first ensure your printer is powered on and actively connected to your home or office Wi-Fi network. This network must be the exact same one your MacBook Air is currently using. Access your printer's menu, usually through a small display, to select your network and input the password. This step ensures seamless communication between your devices. A direct USB connection is often the quickest way to get your printer recognized. Simply connect one end of a USB cable to your powered-on printer and the other end directly into an available USB-C port on your MacBook Air. If your printer's cable is a standard USB-A type, you might need a small adapter for your MacBook Air's ports. Your MacBook usually detects this connection automatically. Now, open System Settings on your MacBook Air from the Apple menu and find Printers and Scanners in the sidebar. Click the plus button, typically located below the list of existing printers, to begin adding your new device. Your MacBook Air will then automatically search for any connected or wirelessly available printers. Select your printer from the list that appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.